Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here with another reveal video, and today I'll be sharing the Extreme Postage Die Set. And I fell in love with this die set immediately because I knew that there's a whole lot of faux postage designs that could be done with this die set. Anyway, it comes with 6 different dies in various sizes. The smallest one is 3 1/4 by 2 1/4. The next one up is 1 3/8 by 2 3/4 inches. The third one is 2 by 3 3/8 inches. Then 2 5/8 by 4 inches. Then 3 3/8 by 4.5 inches. And the largest one is 4 by 5 1/4 inches. I do have a couple of samples to share with you where I did incorporate the faux postage look. For the first sample, I used the Flurry stamp set as well as the individual dies from the Elegant Snowflake border die set. For the second card, I used the new Snowy Watermill stamp and was able to just stamp a portion of that stamp to really highlight the actual building of the watermill. And for the third sample, I used the Hello Bear stamp set. Anyway, that finishes up this reveal video. For more inspiration, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information, I'll have all of that linked in the description box below for you. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.